I tell you what, it is the first really nice days of spring. Grass has been growing, and that means it's time to mow. So we got to get our lawnmower together. This is the Idrive 42-inch lithium ion from Ryobi. It's also got an HP in there, which means high performance. I've been using this for a year. It's my second year using it. I've got to start it up. I've got to get it ready. So hang on. This is going to be really fun because I'm really excited. So let's go. So first things first, we need to check the blades to make sure that they're sharp. So we're going to drop this all the way to the ground, and this is really simple. All we need to do is take 3 pins out and 2 connections. So we just need to take this pin out, this pin back here, and this pin. It should only take a second. So just in case any of you are wondering what the bottom of the iDrive looks like, this is it. You have dual blades, you have your diverters, you have some hair. Oh, looks like I got a string on there from last year. One of my kids' toys, I suppose. But make sure that everything turns just fine. The blades rotate this way. That rotates just fine. Rotate this way. Everything looks really good. Now these are sealed, so there is no oil that you need to do down here. Feeling the blades, look at them. I don't really have any cut marks. They look really good. I don't have any issues there. That looks just fine. And you don't want to razor sharpen these because if you do that, you have a thin edge and it's not very strong. So you want kind of like a dull sharp to it. And that's in general, just for mowers. This is really sharp. That looks good. That looks good. You know what? I don't really need to do anything. I'll clean some of this out here and then and that's it. Okay, so this is an important one. Notice how my batteries are not inside the lawnmower yet, and there's a reason why. Because over the winter time, you want to keep these inside so it isn't exposed to cold because it is susceptible to draining and cold. So we're going to keep them inside. Now, all we need to do is plug that up, make sure it's locked in. We'll put all the 12 hours in. We'll plug it in. it feels so good to be able to mow again. I tell you what, I have actually missed mowing. This is, I don't know, kind of like a getaway for me. I get to do things on my own. I have 7 kids, so when I'm able to get out and do things on my own, it just makes life a little bit easier. Everybody, hope that this was entertaining. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe give a little bit of insight about how these Idrive zero turns actually work. If it did, hey, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Hit that notification bell as well and share it. Please share the video. It helps me and it helps the channel. And until next time, see ya.